In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a hummus and veggie wrap. There's really no right or wrong way of making a wrap, and it's a great way to send a bunch of things that you have in your fridge, wrap them up in there. It's a handheld lunch, so let's get started. I like using these large flour tortillas for my wraps. They're also burrito sized. They are regular or gluten-free flour. They're easy to find nowadays. You're just gonna take your favorite hummus and spread it on your wrap. As you can see, I like to take my hummus and spread it almost all the way to the edge because the hummus is gonna help you wrap up all the ingredients in the wrap and hold it together. It's really like the glue for your wraps, for the tortilla. Now, after I put my base, today I'm using hummus, I like to add anything that are loose ingredients on my wrap. So for example, I shredded some carrots that I'm going to spread around on the wrap. After my carrots, I'm going to sprinkle some of this cheese. Cheese is totally optional, by the way, but I love cheese. And to this, I'm adding some arugula, or you can use some spinach, some chopped up kale or lettuce. Greens are a great way to add more nutrients, but also it makes your wraps more filling. So on top of my greens, I'm going to take some Deli turkey that I have really thinly sliced over the top. Now, why am I putting the turkey on top? I'm gonna put it on top to help hold down the greens, and then I can wrap it up. Now, if you wanna make this vegetarian, you can simply omit the cheese and the turkey, of course. Now, to make a wrap, you can fold in the ends like this. Fold it over just like a burrito, tightly. And then you're gonna want to push some of your ingredients in, and it looks really hefty, but it's all those greens, and wrap it up. So your ends are tucked in so you can slice it in half and pack it in your lunchbox. Now, one quick tip, if you're making this wrap ahead of time or the night before, you can take a moist paper towel and put it right over your wrap and then refrigerate it overnight. In the morning, all you have to do is slice it and pack it in the lunchbox. Let me show you what this wrap looks like inside. As you can see, our hummus is holding all the ingredients together, and then going all the way in is wrapped all the way around. To pack your wrap in a lunchbox, I simply slice it in half and in it goes. Now, quick tip here, if you are using a gluten-free wrap, a good idea is to take that moist paper towel and place it right over the top, because gluten-free wraps tend to be a little bit drier than your traditional flour tortillas, and it just helps the wrap not dry out. So simply take your lid, close it up, and stick this lunch in your lunchbox. If you love simple and delicious lunch ideas like this one, you can grab a copy of my best homemade kids lunches on the planet, which, as you can see, I use a lot with my kids. While you're down there, hit that red subscribe button so you and I get to make lunches and recipes and snacks a few times a week. See you next time.